I'm Montana. I've recently just completed Year 12, so I've transferred from a school-based apprenticeship to a part-time apprenticeship through Diamond Barbers. The perk of being a school-based apprentice for me was that I had the flexibility to go between school and work. I wasn't full-time at school, I wasn't full-time at work, I just had that flexibility in between it.
My name is John and I'm currently undertaking a Cert 3 in barbering, and I'm currently working with Diamond Barbers with Nico. So the benefits are that it's very flexible with school and work and uni.
Hello, my name is Seb and I'm 5 months into my apprenticeship here at Diamond Barbers by Nico. I chose to take an apprenticeship because I think it gives me the sort of skills and knowledge to learn new things, and I'm always willing to learn every day something new, because I feel like out of every workplace you always learn something new every day.
Hi, my name is Michael Musgrove. I'm doing a Cert 3 in barbering and I work at Diamond Barbers with Nico. I love the idea of walking away from a job with a set of skills, some that I can take out into the real world. I can then in the future look back and I always have those set of skills to use and utilise.
So what made me decide to start this apprenticeship is that I was very interested at the start, becoming a barber. So I went to school and had a chat with the principal and the teachers, and they told me about you can definitely start an apprenticeship. The best part of working in Diamond Barbers is the team, the space, and how friendly the clients are, and the support that the team gives me, which is good.
I want to say my co-workers, because without the best co-workers and the support that they give you, you wouldn't expand your knowledge and willingness to work at the shop. At the same time, being professional and having co-workers that help you out and support you throughout your apprenticeship and learning from them, I think that's the best part about working here.
Well, a big part of it is association, because I believe wherever you work, whoever you work with, it's very important to have a great group of people. Also, a boss who encourages you.
I'd say the aspect I enjoyed most about working in here is just the teamwork and just the variety of things that you can do as well. No one's any higher than anyone else, you're all on the same level, everything gets done, but it's not just a you do this, I do this, it's everyone works together to do everything.
A haircut is a very important thing for people. They're getting a haircut before weddings, job interviews, first dates, graduations. That what makes it special for us. So it's definitely a commitment. When someone sits on the chair, it's definitely the trust that giving to us. So we must deliver by first listening to understand, and of course try to find a way to deliver.
A good supervisor is someone that you know you can go to with anything, knowing that there's no, oh, I can't say that because it's my boss, or I can't say that because they're in charge. Like the respect that we've got at Diamond Barbers, you can go to your bosses with almost everything.
What makes a great supervisor is being able to have someone to talk to, not just as a boss but as a friend. Being able to speak to them and ask them for help, and also just be able to learn from them. Be able to take advice and not also look back on it and be like, I'm just being told what to do. Take it and be told that he's helping me.
So the support from the ASN team has been amazing. I have had my mentor check up on me every 2-3 months. You get the calls, hey, how are you going? Do you need anything? Can I do anything? It's just awesome to have that support network there. For those considering a school-based apprenticeship, do it, 110% do it. If you can't, if you feel you can't sit still in school or you need that motivation, get an apprenticeship, because it's one of the best things you'll ever do.